Good morning. Making a smoothie for breakfast, and I actually get that question a lot. What do you put in your smoothie? So I'm gonna put in some carrots. I put in some frozen fruit. I'm gonna put in a scoop of IDLife Vegan shake because that's my favorite. I ground up some flax meal. I don't always do this part, but I ground up some flax meal to go in because why not? Got some beautiful kale from my plant tower that I showed you guys yesterday, and super excited to have that fresh kale in there. Using some coconut milk. I often will use almond milk. I might put in some chia seeds, but I know IDLife puts chia seeds in their vegan protein powder, so I probably don't need that. And I'm good to go. Blend it up, drink it up. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.